Ay guys, gusto ko lang i-share to. Breaking news. Kung merong hindi inaasahang mangyari, nakasakay kayo sa eroplano at ito ay nagkaroon ng plane crash o bumagsak, pwede kang makasurvive basta nakaupo ka sa seat 11A. Parang imposible, pero guys, totoo to. Nung June 12, nagkaroon ng plane crash. Isang eroplano galing ng India, papunta ng London, merong sakay na 242 na tao. 30 seconds after neto lumipad, as in kakaangat lang guys, umabot siya ng 600 feet. Tapos biglang bumagsak. So yung nakasurvive nga ay isang 40 years old na British Indian citizen. Dinala siya sa ospital after siyang makita na palakad-lakad doon sa bumagsak na eroplano. Tinamaan yung isang medical college hostel yata doon sa India at marami ding nasaktan. Meron ding kumakalat na video na bago bumagsak yung eroplano, nawalan ng power. Hindi gumagana yung aircon, tapos wala ding function yung touchscreen dun sa mga upuan.
She's not working. Look at everyone. And it's so many people, they are using these magazines. AC is not working at all. And as usual, your TV screens are also not working. Neither this button for calling the cabin crew. Nothing is working. Nothing. Not even the light is working. See. Is this what you are providing? And as usual, that is why Air India is considered as one of the worst airlines in the world.
So 241 yung nawala at isa lang yung nakaligtas. Ito naman yung isang video na couple pasahero na nag-vlog bago sila sumakay ng eroplano.
We are at the airport, just boarding. Goodbye, India.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
And now we're flight back to England.
What's your biggest takeaway, Jamie?
We've done this already.
On a different thing.
All right. What's my biggest takeaway? I don't know.
Yeah, fascinating. Great. Thanks. Thanks for your contribution. Okay. Yeah, my biggest takeaway is don't lose your patience with your partner.
Yeah, you're already starting to. You've already snapped at me while we're having chai at the airport. You see, you've learnt nothing.
Going back happily calm.
Medyo nakakatakot yung balita na to kasi nga ako din minsan guys takot ako lumipad. Anong masasabi niyo dito? Nakakalungkot. Hindi rin kasi ako nagtitiwala din pag sinabing Boeing yung flight. Isa yan sa mga eroplano na may controversy online. So guys, bibili na ba kayo ng seat 11A kung meron kayong flight? Gusto ko marinig guys kung ano yung sa tingin nyo, anong masasabi nyo sa mga comments.